Okay guys, so it is so nice outside today and it is currently 6:17. You guys already know I'm going thrifting, but I plan on finding a lot of slip dresses. I said it in my last video. If you guys want to go watch it, it's on my channel. But I plan on finding a lot of slip dresses. I want to get more jeans because I do want to start like upcycling the jeans and like putting patterns and designs on them, and a lot of t-shirts that I could tie-dye, and just a lot of oversized t-shirts, a lot of tiny baby tees and stuff like that I could sell. And yeah, hopefully we get lucky. And I also want to look at their jewelry, and I also want to look at their, not really their furniture, but like their mirrors, because they do have really nice mirrors, but I don't want a big one. I want like a small wall mirror. So I hope that I find one of those. But I know you can't just go into a thrift store and expect to come out with something, because you never know what you're gonna find when you go to a thrift store, because not every thrift store is the same. This one, this shirt, which is $2. That is so cute. And I also found a couple of like graphic tees. This will probably be on my Depop. This one, I'm either gonna crop or I'm just gonna put it on my Depop, I'm not sure. And this one I'm gonna keep for myself because it says Panama City Beach. I love shirts that are like travel shirts that you buy on vacation. And this one, and then we found a couple of jeans. But there are really judgy people in here, and they're just looking at us like, sorry sis, we like to thrift too. Virginia's just over there. You can't really see her, but she's like all the way over there. So we're in this section. Well, first of all, look at our cart, and this is just the only thrift store. But this is like the bodysuit section, and I found this bodysuit from Brandy freaking Melville. I'm keeping this for myself. Okay guys, so here are the first jeans, and they're Calvin Klein ones. I really actually like them low-waisted like this. I don't know if I'm gonna sell them yet or if I'm gonna keep them. Okay guys, so we just left the thrift store, and back to what I was saying about us being harassed just a little bit, because like mama, the lady was following us. Like, do you remember, like she was putting stuff up and she was like touching our cart, being like, well, I didn't know if this was yours and stuff, and we're just like, I got a lot of stuff, so you guys should expect a huge thrift haul and a big, like, my Depop is gonna be stocked full of stuff. And I do want to get to the point where I start doing bundles, but that would mean I'd have to go thrifting almost every week. Okay guys, so as I was saying, we are in Target. Where's the pre-amazing? Hold on, wait, you're so fast. So we basically got like ruffles and these like, they're like little cupcakes, like burgers. They're so cute. And then we got some strawberries and some like chocolate melts. And okay guys, so we are back home, and we are thinking about changing just because it's dark outside, so we kind of want to be like more comfortable. So yeah, we're just getting the picnic basket and everything ready, and she's just gonna crop this shirt. Okay guys, so these are comfy outfits. They're thrifted, but yeah, I really like this one. Guys, you can barely see, and I barely have any storage left, but Journey just tried to go all the way down there. Like, you can't even see, it's so dark, and slipped, and the chocolate got all over her, but like, we're cleaning it up now. But yeah, look at my slides, they're so cute. Okay guys, so I'm filming the rest of this on my phone because I have no storage left on my camera, but I'm just gonna show you everything that we got while Journey is currently over there trying to wash the chocolate off her shoes. So we got, it's super dark, like you can't see anything, it's so pitch black, but we got Ruffles. I already opened them because I was eating them, and then hot Cheetos, of course, Tostitos dip to go with all of that. And then Target had these like really cute like burger patty cupcakes. And then that's our chocolate over there that fell. It tumbled, no grass got into it, it just tumbled. That's why there's grass on it, but we're gonna wipe it off with baby wipes. Then we have some strawberries right here for the dip. We have our cheese platter, our Simply Lemonade, the best lemonade. Some Cheez-Its and freeze-dried strawberry slices. And I'm making her watch Harry Potter because, of course, you know me. Okay you guys, so we switched to my patio because we had like 3 technical difficulties. So first, you guys know this girl spilled chocolate all over herself and skidded down the golf course. And then we set up and it starts raining on us. And then we come in here and I spilled most of the strawberries, but they spilled in the basket, so it's fine. But yeah, we're on our patio now and we can't feel the raindrops because we have this big hood over us. And inside, what time is it? 11:48. 11:48, and we're just eating these bag of chips. Like, we stopped eating for a while because we got super full. But these, I think, are my new favorite snack. But we're just chilling out here. I low-key want to sleep out here, but I'm not going to because I don't want to think about the bugs that would be crawling on me. But like, if we were protected without the bugs, we really not to sleep out here. Me and Jenny were out for a while. It was like way too late to make brownies or anything because it was like 1 o'clock in the morning because we were really vibing outside. Like, it was a good time. I definitely will do this again, but because it got so dark, it kind of went off planned. Like, it just kind of, you know, I wasn't really planning to do the picnic like super duper late and dark, but it ended up happening, and it wasn't the worst thing ever. It was pretty fun, but I will plan another picnic with more friends and where we're all outside and it's like sunny and stuff like that. But right now it's 5:19, it's the next day, and I'm gonna go to cheer practice. I just wanted to end this video and say thank you so much for watching today's video. Please like and subscribe if you haven't already. Comment down below, I don't know, picnic or something like that. I really don't know. You probably are not even watching this outro, but I will be doing a thrift haul very, very soon for all of this, and a thrift flip video with flipping all the stuff that I got and telling you in the thrift haul what will be up on my Depop. So yeah, bye guys, love you.